When we're working in AutoCAD Electrical, the majority of the time you'll be working on either panel drawings or schematic drawings. When you're working on a schematic drawing, you will be using the schematic icon menus most of the time because you'll be using standardized blocks that have been created for your particular standard, whether that be JIC, Imperial American, or IEC, European Metric. So let's put our drawing into the project. I've created JIC schematic icon menus. So what we'll do there is we'll click on the project, right click, add the active drawing and apply the project default values. As you can see, we need to renumber the sheet there. So we do properties on the drawing itself, change that to 004 and update it nice and neatly. Make sure you do it. Get into the habit of doing that, as I cannot stress enough. Very important CAD practice to make sure that your drawings are linked to your project. So we're in our drawing, schematic icon menus. We'd go to the schematic tab on the ribbon, and there's our icon menu there. But if we click on the down arrow, you'll see that we've got a catalog list, we've got an equipment list, we've also got a panel list, and we've also got terminal panel list as well. So we can add from any of these lists. The icon menu inserts a component you select from the menu. So you can pick an insertion point on the drawing and orientate it in the drawing. Catalog list inserts schematic components from a defined list of components with catalog assignments. So if I went to catalog list, what would happen? Well, it would show me what's in the catalog list. So you can see there I've got some relays, some pilot lights, some motors, and so on. Let's have a look at the next one down. If I went to the equipment list, again, it gives me a list of MDBs that I can go and look for a spreadsheet file or an MDB file. So you can see there's different ways of inserting your schematics. But the most commonly used one is the icon menu. The reason is it's all very much direct, in your face, exactly what it does on the tin kind of scenario. So what we've got here is things like push buttons, relays, contacts, fuses, transformers, and so on. So I might want to add, let's say, a relay coil. So if I bring that in now, there's my relay coil there. I'll line that in there and click. CR003 is the component tag. I can go and look up a particular manufacturer, let's say. So I'll go for that one there. OK that. OK again. And it updates accordingly based on whatever settings I've got in the project and in the drawing. So that's why you would use your icon menus. They're very quick and very easy, and they just work because you can see exactly what you're inserting into your electrical drawing. So let's have a look at that one more time. So we'll go to the icon menu again. I'll pick something different this time. Let's go for a push button. And I'll go for a push button normally closed, momentary there. And you can see there, if I hover over that wire there, zoom in a bit, just get the snap and the grid working and click. PB004 is the component tag. I'll OK that. And you'll see there, because it's got that little line on there, it is a normally closed push button rather than this one here that is normally open. The line's in a different place. So they are basically blocks with attributes, but what they're doing is they're linking to the database in the project itself. So all of these, as long as they've got catalog data attached to them, will come up in the bills and materials when you generate reports. And more importantly, if you export that data out to something like an XLS or an MDB file, the data goes across as well. So you can see how that works with your schematic icon menus.